Hello there. My name is V. Sridhar, and I have the pleasure of welcoming you to the 5 a.m. Club. Let me take you through an orientation video quickly, which will tell you more about what we do and why we started this 5 a.m. Club. So, first thing is, we meet online every day in a Zoom call, and that includes the weekends. We start at 5 a.m. sharp and go on till about 45 minutes. A little bit about me. My name is V. Sridhar and I have a freight and logistics company. I discovered my passion for coaching, training, and speaking few years back. I am an advocate of the Think and Grow Rich of Napoleon Hill and his 17 principles of success. Few years back, I enrolled for a course of Robin Sharma and I was introduced to the principles of waking up early, taking charge of your mornings, following some rituals, and having a great day in terms of great energy and getting a lot of things accomplished during the day. So, recently during the lockdown, I realized that my schedule was going haywire because I got into watching movies with my family and playing games. So, something that probably many other people were also getting into. So, suddenly I felt the need to get hold of my day, to get hold of my schedule, and thus the idea of once again starting to waking up early and following a ritual and having a good schedule was something that I felt very important. I shared this idea with a few close people, few friends. They liked it, and then when I opened out to people on social media, uh, contrary to my thought, many people showed interest, and we actually immediately started this whole idea. On the day one, we had almost 13 people joining online, and by 10th day, we had 31 people doing the morning 5 a.m. Club rituals. So let me now take you through what we do. The first thing that we do is start our day with counting our blessings. So we write gratitude messages. So first we write 5 gratitude messages, and then we spend reading it and getting that feeling of gratitude in us. And gratitude messages basically help us to turn our focus from a lack mindset to an abundance mindset by helping us count our blessings. And there is so many blessings in our life. After this, we move on to saying affirmations. So, affirmations is something you may already have for yourself. If not, online I share about 5 affirmations that you can choose from. Ideally, it is best you choose one affirmation and say it aloud if possible or in your mind for 2 to 3 minutes till we move on to the next activities. Affirmations help you to overcome your limiting beliefs and opens blockages to your greater success. Once we are done with the affirmation, we move on to journal writing. And it's up to you to pick a topic, choose a topic, and start writing for the next 10 minutes. So, whether you write a page or a page and a half based on your handwriting and speed, that's fine. The whole idea is to not remove your focus, stay focused and write for the whole 10 minutes, and slowly you will find that in the days to come, it grows like a muscle. You are improving by the day. So, after journal writing, what we do is we pull out our vision statement, our goals, individual vision statement that each of us may have, and we go through it. So, all these activities are done at an individual level. It's just that on the Zoom call, we all collectively meet as an accountability, so that we are all accountable to each other as a group, and we do this. So if you have a goal, if you have your goals ready, if you have vision statement, that's great. If not, it is ideal that within the next 1 or 2 days of joining, you sit down and write down goals. So it's very important for you to read these goals and vision early in the morning on a daily basis. After that is done, we move on to listing down all the tasks that each person wishes to accomplish that day. Tasks that are important and urgent, tasks that are leading you to your goals. So the idea is to quickly write down all the tasks and put, so that you get a hold of your day in terms of what are the things that you wish to accomplish. Once that is over, we move on to a guided meditation session where I take the people through a guided meditation for 10 minutes. Now, this is an optional section where if you have your own form of meditation, you could excuse yourself and leave the forum. Otherwise, you could continue with us. I would highly recommend you to experience it for 2 3 days before taking a call. So, once the meditation is over, we are all free to leave and get back to our lives and continue with our routine. Ideally, I would recommend a person to go ahead and put in some form of physical fitness exercise after the whole session is over, whether it is walking or yoga or any other form of exercise. That would complete, in all respects, it will complete the morning rituals. That's it for the whole 5 a.m. club rituals that we do. The whole idea is to help you inculcate consistently a habit of waking up early and going through a ritual that will elevate our lives. So I hope to see you very soon online at 5 a.m. with all of us. And thank you very much for listening to this video. Take care. Cheers.